Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make this chicken curry. It is absolutely delicious. It doesn't take long, and this technique will ensure that all your curries in future will be fabulous. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. In the center there, I've got 1 kg, which is 2.2 pound, of drumsticks, but I'll just cut the ends off, the very end off, you can see like that. Bone in, skin on. 2 cups of tomatoes, 2 cups of onion, some fresh curry leaves. As you can get them, they really are fantastic. I mean, a lot of you won't be able to find them where you are. Try and get dried. Nothing really replaces them at all. Our powders today, we're going with 1 teaspoon of cumin, coriander and turmeric, and 2 of chili powder. The chili powder that I'm using is Kashmiri. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two. Fresh chilies, entirely up to you. I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to put mine in whole. You can chop them up if you want. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and 2 dried red chilies. Let's get moving. So in my pan here, I've got some oil. Now I've got 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm using coconut oil. If you want, you could use a different oil, entirely up to you. Let's start off by putting in the dried red chili. By the way, I've just put the heat on. It's on an above medium heat. A couple of teaspoons of the cumin seeds, and then the fresh curry leaves. What we want to do, just for 1 minute 90 seconds, is just throw them around in the oil as it heats up. And then we're going to start off by dropping in our chicken. Like I said, I've got these chicken legs with, you know, the drumstick part, and as you can see, I'll just cut the ends off. Keep yours on if you want. 1 kg, 2.2 pound, bone in, skin on. Just going to turn the heat to medium now. We're just on above medium. We're going to go to medium, and we're going to go for about 6 minutes. I'll be flipping them around. Okay, so we've got a nice bit of colour on here now. We're going to add the 2 cups of onion and some salt to taste. And we're going to stay on this medium heat, and we're going to go for 4 more minutes. Beautiful. We're now going to add that tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, our fresh chili. Like I said, I'm just putting mine in whole. You can chop it if you want. And then we're going to go for our spices. Let's just take a look. So 2 teaspoons of the chili powder, and then 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, coriander and cumin. So let's just get that in. And we're just going to give this a little mix. All those sort of vibrant colours are coming now from the chili and the turmeric. And then we're going to grab our 2 cups of fresh tomatoes, and we're going to go on the medium heat still for 5 to 6 minutes as the tomatoes cook. I mean, try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato like I have. We're going to get some form of moisture from it. Give it a stir every now and then. So I've done pretty well with my tomatoes, as you can see, and they're cooking down nicely. What we're going to do very simply is I'm going to add a little bit of water. I mean, I've added just that half a cup of water there. You can add more if your tomatoes weren't so juicy as mine. And then we're going to put this on a simmer, really nice and low. Let it go for about 8 to 10 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Nearly done. So I'm really happy there. Off goes the heat. It's kind of reduced down a bit, but it's still got a nice amount of masala right there. I'm now going to add a little bit of garam masala powder. Half a teaspoon maybe. Garam masala powder is this stuff. It's a kind of mixed blend of spices, nice kind of finishing spice. If you want to get some chopped coriander or cilantro, whatever you call that, in the mix, I'm happy just there. Beautiful stuff. And that's it, job done. Absolutely delicious. If you want, eat that with rice or with some kind of roti, paratha, or some other kind of bread. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon. You can get it in an ebook, $3.99. Very, very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.